We have the one and only Ruggie in the place. Yeah. All right, there it is, there it is, there it is. View. Yes. We viewed it. I know you're going to come. The king is coming now. Go live. All right. All right. Who that?
The Prince.
Yes, Prince. It's an honor. It's an honor. In the real life, this is long overdue, my family. Long overdue.
Prince.
Prince. Prince.
Share it.
Share it, everybody. Exactly.
Share it.
That's
yeah,
right.
man, I know, so the Prince is live, but that we're showing up. Share. I want my people. Prince.
Prince, big up your epic self. Bring up your epic self.
Yeah, man, I'm Prince, man.
How you mean, man?
People. You don't get no bigger than these people. Daddy Red, so I won.
My dad king, and it's an honor, like I said. So let's get into this. Let's do this now. Ragga.
People, I want people to share the live, you know. Please, I beg you. Share it, man. Share it. Bring it up. Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Prince Boss. Prince Boss. Prince Boss. Yeah, man. That's why I share the live, man. Go and share it. Prince, yeah. Flitters.
Okay. Yeah.
Mad sitting. Up at Daddy Red, so I go on.
Yes, King, it took me forever to do this interview with you, but like I said, with the technology and the phone, I had to use a different phone. That's all I got to say. But we are here now. I got to give thanks. So now, your humble beginnings. How long have you been doing music professionally, you say?
Ruggie in this game from a baby age where the age of 5-year-old Ruggie as a little youth growing up, hearing the nice sound. You understand, from the Youth Man promotion, the Stereo and them, the Jar of them, you see me, the Stone Love them as a youth growing up, a Maxwell, and a place named Fraxity. So it grew with the Ruggie. This thing is like, you see me, people give it to it. It's a band, talent, Ruggie born with, from the Almighty God. So I saw this thing start from like a baby. I'm like a baby star in my community. A place named Fraxity, that are Maxwell and Waltham and Chisholm Avenue and Omar Road. All I 13, but Ruggie born and grow in a place named Fraxity. Yeah, so it does born in the Prince and it happened.
Good, all right. So like you said, from creation. Now, when did you, which came first, your first song or when you, were you on the sound system first?
Sound system, we used to DJ upon a sound named Aries as a little youth where enough big artists them time as a youth, but me was the big star for Aries. So the first time when as a youth, the first tune me do as a youth, I want tune name will come again, Aries come again. That's the first time me go a jamming studio. I'm gonna get $60 Jamaican for your tune there. Then tell me a squeak. Then tell me you have like a squeak style where you see me. Well, Major Mackerel as a legend, him can't speak to skinny ranking, but Ruggie was like a baby squeaker as a little youth. You see me? So from ever.
All right. Good.
You see me?
Yeah,
man. Big up everybody on the live, man.
Bless up the whole life. Please share, people, because this is history. We with the legendary Ruggie. So after the sound, when did you voice your first record, your first 45?
The first 45 when I 12-year-old, you know. It's the same tune I tell you, so I'm tuning him. Come again, Ruggie, come again. Come again, Aries, come again. What are they? Come again, Ruggie, come again. We come again, Aries, come again. 9 and 1, it equal to 10 we have. Jennifer June, Dan and Karen, write in a letter to a far away friend. Other one live at 9, one live at 10. Other one named June and one named Karen. Come on, me come again, Ruggie, come again. Me come, and the rest of history.
Yes,
sir. Like a baby boy. Yeah, man.
All right.
Cool, man. Man.
Okay. Wow. So as a youth, you pin your first record. All right. So now, the first time when you say, all right, this music thing can carry me to other lands beyond Jamaica shores, when did you first experience that?
Like when as growing up, we used to go some place like the Coney Park, where our if you don't go them place there, you're an artist, them time we are teenager, 16, 17, the Coney Park as a youth, the Rockers Award, that our place it keep our upper stadium, the Rockers Award used to keep. We go to school fed them, the school barbecue, the school concert, we responsible all of them, something at the Christmas street, the little ghetto concert them is we as a youth, and then time we are the business, we not get the money. We just love music, and then every ghetto a perform as youth. In every ghetto, all ghetto, Maxwell, 2 Mile, 3 Mile, Redis Road, Kasha Park, Frog City, Chisababino, Umara Road. We do the work. Some people not do the work. Them just start this thing when them a big old man. We DJ from we are youth to come up, and we always a try, and that the rest. But I tell you this, my show. Enough of them big artists I take on my style and nobody not attack. My style a mad style, and me create a mad something.
Yes.
Enough of them take on my thing. But oh God bless, no man curse. Big them up same way. But I just make you know say a mad style, yeah, and me was a little mad artist.
Understood.
As I like a youth I grew up.
Yeah.
You see me? So,
of course.
And I know this thing start a whole heap of years. You see me, some of us want the fans them proud of Ragga Ruggie, and also we are trying you, and we always dear in a music thing. We could have turned thief, we could have turned gunman, because we come from the wickedest place, and we still a try, and we brought the bread, and we kind. So, let's get it on that, Reds. Let's start.
Exactly, King. Exactly. So, now you said it's the love of the game, which is right, and then the money comes. So, when is the first time you actually got paid for music? You know, I'm talking about decent food. You know what I'm saying?
The first time I get paid for music in that area, my mother run and bring that money again. The same tune now I do for years, $60 man give me, 60 Jamaica dollar man, and then they have the red $20 them. A 3 sharp man give me. I'm going to throw it up in the year. I say I'm rich. I'm going to bring that and give my mother, so that's the first money I get as a little youth. Them time me at 12 years old. You see me? I'm going to say, yo, a food can eat out of this. And from there, we go all the country, man, as a little youth, man. 14-year-old, man, and man said the people say, man, book for country, and say, man, give away money. They don't get no money, man, give away cane and mango and jelly water. And yeah, man, banana, so if we bring back that at town, brother, we have a whole lamp on that. A whole heap of sufferation we go through music. And we still there, and we them, that the way, I said, earth more time where some people see the success, you know, and get bad mind. Because you like we were cut out the blood, I'm sure proud that we as something could get to you to elevate to life. And you see me try and make it so we can help them see and we talk. But bad mind, some of them come like crab in a barrel. Them rather dry it down before them build it so you can help them. So I only pass in that area. Go and talk, we'll have to rush the interview. Big up on the sell everybody.
We're gonna take with time. Burn out bad man, because they forget that one cocoa field basket. And we're supposed to have unity and thing. But whatever, we don't need them. You know, you just got to keep going on. All right, now, what countries have you been to perform?
Jamaica's one, to
you know that. Okay.
Yeah, Ragga Ruggie go to Germany. I go France. I go Switzerland. You see me, I do some place Ragga Ruggie go, but at the moment, the thing hot, the thing steamy, you know, Africa need me, Canada need me, America need me, Jamaica want to see back Ragga Ruggie right now. You see, we always go to Jamaica, I brought the bread, I help out the youth, them, help out the poor people, them, bring the barrel, bring this, bring that, so we can get the people, them, but through the COVID thing, we kind of cool on the vibe, and I wait and listening kind of run off. So we just there, do the great tune, them, and I go and entertain the people, them. But Ragga Ruggie, we go in Switzerland, man. And the judgment day, man, happiness, man, everybody happy and love Ragga Ruggie in Switzerland. Because we have love, so we get by the same love from the people, them. Because we go out the shoot out the love, so we get back love. Yeah, man.
All right, good. Now that you've tried and succeeded and went these different countries, like, can you tell some younger artists or people who haven't traveled in general, like, how the culture may be different from what we may be used to? Like, you know, language barrier, food, etc. How explain that? How did that go for you? Your first time traveling?
So, remember, say, we are professional youth, so if you go like a German or a France, you have to adjust to fit them style. We not tell you we do what they do, but you have to adjust that. It's respect and it's manners. And you have to respect the people and culture and just to do your work. You see me just to do what you know and nobody disrespect the people and culture. That's why everybody in the area love Ragga Ruggie because we know to deal with the thing and make people happy. Ragga Ruggie is the artist where can please any crowd. You put me in any crowd but perform for anybody. You see me? Because music me I did and me is an entertainer that feed me. So if you put me in a church, I can entertain the Christian them. You put Ragga Ruggie against the kids them, yeah, entertainment. So it's happiness. Let's get it there. That the show is a big show. Yeah, man.
Ragga Ruggie show, with a starter show. Anywhere you go, anything you say, yo, them can't touch you. Just keep on slay.
Prince.
Yes, man, the Prince in the house.
This is Ragga Ruggie show. People. Yeah, man.
Long time. Long time. We're going to take the time. Please. More than 1 hour. I'm sorry. Anyway.
Man, you're done, man. Yeah, man.
Love and respect all day. Okay.
Yeah, respect and manners, man. People are happiness. We are drinking some water. Got them sitting there with you.
Must. That's the next question I was going to ask you. Tell you the truth. Like when you get up and you go on the stage show, and we know only you can rock a stage show like you can rock a stage show. But like before you get up and perform, right? Do you have to have a full belly? Like, how do you eat before you go up and perform it? Are you full, half full? What do you eat? You understand what I'm saying?
No. When Ragga...
Yeah. Hold up, people. It's coming. It's coming. You know, sometimes this happens. Move the phone over a little bit, King.
Paper on the move. Share the live. I can't just come in. Share the live.
Oh,
excitement. Remember, I English. Share the live, paper. Man, sitting at Daddy Red show, you know. Yeah, man. Big up everybody on the live. It's a great look. Yeah, man. We are supporting each other, you know. Big up the ladies, them. You love or not.
Yes, man. We love
what I do. Yeah, man. I respect everybody who support and live on the show. Cause I them thing with them, we have to love people and respect people. You see me? Yeah, no, yes,
yeah, so before you go on the stage, like how do you eat? You understand? Full belly, half belly, what?
No food, just orange, little orange, right? 2 orange. Or a tangerine. Okay. Remember some is an energy youth, you know. And you can't too full up. If you're full up, you can't perform and climb and jump and you see me, that's the soy down. So like a 2, 3 orange and a banana, I'm good with that for the perform. After performance done, the people enjoy their money, food time. Yeah, but me not to eat a bag of food and make a perform. You have to have an energy there, you see me?
Exactly, same way. Whenever I deal with music, it's like the people try to give me food I can't eat. All I do is drink water the whole while, I'll tell you the truth. Yeah, man, it's like I can't eat. It's like it's a natural high already. So what I need food for to calm down. Exactly. So I just want people. Yeah, I want people to know that because see, what people don't realize as an artist, it's not like no preparation goes into the thing. You have to prepare, and it's a serious thing. It's not a joking thing. Every time you take your craft seriously and you go deliver the goods, that's not easy. You have to be a real artist to do that. Yo, let me see you on some stage show. I just said, I laugh. I say, you're the man, but, like you said, you're an energy youth, but you're an entertainer too. Yes.
Yeah. Right now, we, as the original youth, I hold up the stage show vibe where the people them come out, them can enjoy their money. You have to say proper costume. You have to say proper things. No disrespect to the nowadays artists, big them up, but we know about show over the years when they see Lyncher man them come out, Yellow man them come out, you see the costume. So you can't go on stage and the people in the crowd just better than you. You have to come out away, the people them say, wow, your clothes alone take the show. So enough, I the youth them have the dress code, you have to have a thing there. Because the people them look on that first. Before you start delivering, your clothes, the people them look on first. No man that you know see your clothes alone, I take the show. I hate people go home to talk about your costume. So that is Ragga Ruggie. when you say Ragga Ruggie, you see the costume, you see the eyeglass, you see the spear sitting them, you see the some mat sitting away. I say, wow, a Michael Jackson, or a Puff Daddy, or Jay-Z, a Chris Brown, or Usher, something different. Cause entertainment. You see me, go and share the life, people, because we are all a vibe.
Exactly. And now
that.
when you respect Ragga Ruggie all day, now when you say what you just said about dress code and everything, and if you dress the right way, you know, that's the forward right there before you deliver the goods. But speaking of that, the name is a forward too. So how did you get your name? How did that come about?
Sufferation, you know. Sufferation. As a youth growing up, a Frog City, me never have nothing more than if me have one pants, you still see my skin. Me have 2 pants, you still see my skin. 3 pants, you still see my skin. So I was just a rough kid, a wild kid. I grew up in the ghetto Frog City. Don't fear nothing as a youth. And it was rough, but we still not go out there. Don't rob nobody. We still not go out there to nobody. No. We still try for hustle like a balloon, like a starlight, like a clubbers, like a selling.
Yeah.
So I just a rough thing where my clothes then so shabby as a youth. Top of your shoes look good. You don't want to see my bottom of the shoes. Cardboard. You see me?
Yep.
We get all the electric wire for the thing around the light, the electric wire. And make chain. And we have to wait. When rain fall, we have to take it off. We can't make thunder clap. Else we're in a serious trouble. We wait till 6 o'clock in the evening, 6 o'clock. We put it on when the street light are turn on. You call it after 6. Because you can't put it on a day. You have to put it on like at 6 o'clock. So I know sufferation. And you see me, we're proud of ourselves now because God see the art we have ambition as a youth. And so we come turn on the biggest thing in the world. Ragga Ruggie come there on one of the biggest TV in the world. That they will show with this nice, wonderful people. And this Ragga Ruggie. This is our life and our dream. So we are said. So I just a farmer sufferation and we are here now, we have life and we're there to help people now because we used to in that spot. That's a Ragga Ruggie. Always a share, always a brought the bread because we used to suffer, never have nothing. So we know how these people feel.
Yes.
That's why I always help the people in the ghetto. So I say, because I was there, I never have nothing. But I just life, more time in life, the same people we help become hurt and be ungrateful to you and tell life on you. You see me? Because Ragga Ruggie is one of the first, me are one of the first you keep fun there, keep all there, give away. You see me, I help people more than I help myself. Always I brought the bread, always I send all 2-3 barrels to Jamaica and make people get things and the same people them come hurt me. But I think they hurt themselves because they have a thing named Father God, they have a thing named Karma. God don't like liar and God don't like wicked people. So I see enough of them fall who try to hurt me. I mean that God bless you. Peace and love, man.
Exactly. That's why the blessings always follow you wherever you go, and they can't stop you. All right, now.
No, that the rest, my life story is so long. I got through some of the time. I think like it does. Big up my boss on the life. Big up my boss. Enough respect my boss. I always share my thing. My best friend that General. You they always at the barber shop in a Brixton, man. You
bless up all Brixton, man.
Yeah, man,
big up yourself,
man. Brixton, man. I'm a general that man. Big up everybody on the line. And Ragga Ruggie is just a people's person. Who don't love Ragga Ruggie don't love God, God. I don't know people not Yeah, man, I do people not more than love people, man. You see me? Nobody can't. Ragga Ruggie is a youth now. You can't tell lie upon Ragga Ruggie. Because Ragga Ruggie grew in the street. So when some little people are going and tell lie no work, because when you grow in the street, you can't tell lie upon a man that going in the street because everybody know my lifestyle. No, so you're Ragga Ruggie now do that. So that's why when them come with them lie, it not work and in this life, Daddy Reds, you can't tell lie. Because you can't Google Ragga Ruggie with me a baby. You can't Google Daddy Reds with my baby. You can't Google Michael Jackson with my baby. Puff Daddy with my baby. Bob Marley with my baby. So you can't tell lie for Ragga Ruggie. I'm going to come with proof. show it, prove it. So Ragga then say that.
Thank you.
That is,
They don't know.
That is, Mr. Youth, how me I live now, I stay far from human beings because I love them.
Yes.
But some of the time you have to stay far.
You got
and
to.
then we mix up and tell life on you. And Ragga Ruggie name easy to call. So I just try to stay far from everything. And just know say I love my fans them. And it's love. Talk to me.
Which is right. Which is right. Now, you know, we have to let. Remember, you're alive. This. That's all I gotta say. But seriously, as we climb the higher heights, that's what it is. It's like the people always gonna be there. That's why we have to be kind to the people we meet on the way up. That's who we're gonna meet on the way down. You know.
Jigsy, big up yourself, Jigsy. Cause them youth know the sufferation, you know. Yeah, man, the Jigsy them, and them youth know the sufferation. When I come on a Painland, man. When I go on a Painland, man, I jump off of them big tall building there. Mash up my foot. Because them time I want you name Bushamark, man. Bushamark keep a show up England, man. You see me, I hear Ragga Ruggie and Greng, man. May I tell you, I give them a thing here, real commercial remix, man. And we are the get a start. You see me, so we are the youth to that the rest of them a fight, you know, who have the heart. Who we help them, the same man them a fight, and me have the heart to help the people them. And me God sent to help them because I know my heart. And I me them a try to bring down. I me them a try to tell life and it no work. You can't tell life on good people.
Never.
You have to show it and prove it. That is, I'm going to tell you something. I don't sleep. I don't sleep. I'm going to tell you something again. Ragga Ruggie do this thing for money. Everybody do it for money. Who now set up this pal? Me not take money off of social media. I don't hear for money. I hear for black people to come together and unite as one. I will help one another and build and cut out the crab in a barrel thing and the bad mind thing. Me no bad mind nobody. Everybody the pan Ragga. You can't get money off of social media. Me no here for money. Me alright, brethren. Me no need money. My money is for unity. That is right. Let me tell you something. Me you help people more than I help myself. I pay people me help and take me things to people. But me get for finance, brother. Them take this advantage of me. Show them know me have a soft heart.
Damn.
You see me? And then me, that the rest. But I tell you straight. Them fight me, not general. Let me take out my glass.
Sorry to hear that, man.
Fight, you know, brother. And the fight when me get me, I tell you, see, person who fight me, are people me love, you know, brother. People me love, you know. And I pay lie and foolish, brother.
That's
that the rest. But I tell you something. All right, watch, and you say Ragga Ruggie. A real thing you talk. But fans them, big up on yourself on the line. You never know, say, listen this good. Me don't know nobody name. I'm in a chat on people. Listen me song them. Everything me talk about Ragga Ruggie. Listen me tune them. Ragga ga ga ga. Ragga ga ga. I'm sell me talk about. Me not talk about people. Me don't want know nobody name. And I'm me everybody a fight. And me the bad mind I'm a fight. Me next me know song on my voice Thursday. Me know tune on my voice Thursday. Ragga ga 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 ga. Ragga ga 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 ga. Ragga ga. Myself, me a DJ about. Me don't know about people.
Which is right. Which is right.
My biggest tune in the world. Viral Prince. Viral Prince. When you see me, I pick myself me a chat about. So everybody I take some man for the low people and the work. They do something. The work. Some man with disrespect in a brother forget views, you know. Brother, do your thing and try to be yourself and stop the war people. Me not call people name. You have to call my name first, so me call the name.
Exactly.
I mean not call people name. Me not trouble people, brother.
We don't call people name, let them stay in their lane, because if we open our mouth, it's going to be lyrically pain. And they're going to say, yo, that brother Ragga Ruggie, insane. Straight.
See that, Daddy Reds.
Straight from the brain. Yeah, man.
So I love the people, them, brother. I would have sworn the man them for know, so brother, unity and love, because the whole way are black people, brother. You know, make sense, me a tear down, you and me are the same color. Brother, build me for your video.
Up mighty race.
You see me? I know, say, your brother, no matter what, I love you. When I reach here, can help me to, brother. I say things to you, brother. When I want to tear down my brother, for I'm going to pop down my brother. For that there is me, a man work a risk. That there is a risk running my life, you know. At the Buckingham Palace, I'm going, you know. I run risks. People can laugh and happy, you know. 3 years ago and 2 years ago, everybody stressed out and go and dead and kill themselves. But me still in life, you know. Going on my garden and go about a dance and a break dance, you know. And I go up on some chariot. And I go in a building and jump by people can laugh, you know. Me see the people in life, you know. the same people who are trying to mash up my life now, and me save them life. When me are going a wheelbarrow, me are going a hand cart, me are going a chally, me are going a tree, me are going a hills, and me are do something them out in a cove, you are going, everybody say, oh, we're dead, you know. We're dead cove, and me save the people in life, you know, that I mean the break dance, you know. I mean the dance is this, I mean the same youth, you know. I mean go a Buckingham Palace, you know, we pay police and soldier there, you know.
Big
and
time.
I rag, I see some man I try fighting, and I say, watch it. Now me make on happy and save on the life.
They're crazy.
So that's why the people that know, say, I cheat and know people. I love. It's love. I'm going to tell you something, my manager. It's a people, I'm going to tell you something too. Just live in love, live good, big up everybody upon the life. And I'm going to tell you something. Don't do nobody nothing. Because if a man do you wrong, you might get him punishment. Yeah, you have a thing named karma.
Yep.
Yeah. And God don't like public. That is, let me tell you something, my boss. Everybody upon the life become on themselves. Every year them fight against Ragga Ruggie. Every single year them fight, man. And them see the thing and go on. Cause watch now. I told the man them say, one of my general name Ice, you know. Put me in one place, him out to a puff study them going, you know. Jay-Z, share the life. You see me?
Bless up that
one big arts that come out of England, you know. One big arts that come over here, you know. You see me? So Ice put me on one platform where it's at the biggest platform in the area, that place named the Dome. You see me? Some artists, some Jamaica come over here. And I show them in the pants up. If we go up on that stage, have Michael Jackson go up on that stage, Puff Daddy, Jay-Z, Beyonce them, and all the big artists them. International. So Ragga Ruggie, you know, from the boardhouse and the zinc. And them Ice put me. When an artist, I think the artist name Intense. Yes, so Ragga Ruggie Intense. You see me? Yes, sir. I think so. Gonna be there, so from that now, everybody I try tell lie for try and mash up the thing. But what? God come first and God not sleep.
Exactly. Big up Kingston 13.
Kingston 13. So I just that Ragga Ruggie get the whole big platform them. Cause that there is a risk run without a hit tune. Me I get the whole big platform them. So you know, so the love of the people that can no arts who wait till them have an art song, then go up on them big platform. They are me work on the big platform them. I perform on the same stage. Me I obtain come target a Ragga Ruggie, one of the greatest artists never say. I Shana, Chelsea, the Bounty Killer, the Beanie Man, the whole of them. Now Ragga Ruggie come represent England. Yes. When Gully Bob come in, I like the whole world and me save England again. Exactly, you did. I remember that. Yes. I want to you. When Tanta Blacks are mash up, big up Tanta Blacks, and Tanta Blacks are done the whole place of me save England. Everybody come here and me have a save England. All the time. Yes. Me save England. So when me I credit myself, because that there is a can't wait on them for credit you. You have to take what you know is deserved to you. Gotcha. I mean, it's a youth that principle manners. You see me, because I know a Beanie Man, them, a Yellow Man, them, are the king, Shabba them. The king, that's why I say Ragga Ruggie, the prince. Gotcha. Because we don't disrespect people. So we are real youth, we are clean heart youth, we don't business with people, we love people. May the hungry youth risk my life for people, you know. Tell you them at Jamaica, say no more killing, no more gun. Behave on yourself, love on one another, peace. And I mean, Mr. Someone a fight. Me, where I say love. Brother, I can't come say love. And I say, why? But you see in life, when some man knows straight up and love, them believe he's a weak fence. So more time you have to go out to defend yourself and make a man knows that I run over. Exactly, not weak round here. Thank you. Make no weak round here, but that is just music. Music is not a physical thing when I go out to war with a man. In that, because I'm my youth a live for. So me know better. Me do better. I know, so here I go, I see this thing I go wrong, love it alone. Which is right. That's why the people love you. Because you have a brain. All right, and me know where me I come from. And when me don't look foolish, and the government them send back me to Jamaica, and my piece of tin mackerel and bully beef when me have Jamaica done on your mouth. They same people mother say, yo, you then there in England. So me, I have to be myself, because me, they are a foreign country where everybody want to come.
Exactly. Up, Charmaine. And all these rules
Big up
that they
yourself,
have to
Charmaine.
disqualify us. Yeah.
Big up
Remember
yourself,
Windrush.
Charmaine.
Remember Windrush. They want to try and do that a different way on us. That's all they do.
Me, they are Jamaican now. I can't bring piece of bread to my family. One of my friends called me and said, Ragga, where I go and said that a beer come give me now some food. I can't send it to me there Jamaica. I have to secure foreign. That foreign list me there. And from me a baby with a youth of foreign mind now want come a foreign. So we just want to put it out that the Red say right now are the biggest interview this of the year. You see me, the people is here and we appreciate the people and it's a great look and we love the people and the people know so Ragga Ruggie is a youth. Anybody has a sub about Ragga Ruggie, you have to come with proof. You can't come to Ragga Ruggie go over the fence and you have no proof. So whenever talk about the prince, it can't work. Because everybody know Ragga Ruggie, but just stay in my house when we have a show. Me go out there for the dancer go on and a man invite me pass through. And then my screen and tell me if I'm not too like dancing. Me know that something. Me is a showman.
Yes.
And I like me a little youth again. Me a big man. So me a fair thing, different thing. Me have a youth and my youth. Me have to live for my youth. So I just love where I send out there and respect our manners. So everybody on the live, everybody out there is love. I'm there for trying with the people that know so me here to entertain you know. And that's my job and that God send me here to come do. Make the people them laugh and happy. I don't care what bad mind people want to say. Me know say me I live good, me I live straight, my life clean, and me I live clean, and me I clean. That's me care about people I say. You know say what you want to say, virgin. Ragga Ruggie I get fight that direct. Me I get fight from me a baby. And the boy and elbow with this. And try say, yo, you know what? You see how you have a talent, you know. So yes, you know. We don't help you to the right way, you know. You see me, I fight this. Brother, I fight it. Big up the little who help me along the way. LV Dan and them youth that will help me promote and send out my thing. Daddy Reds them. You see me? Yeah man, big up everybody.
Love. You know how I go.
Who play up in my life. From Mr. You love FIFA, brother. Yeah man. So we do it. Any more question, Daddy?
What about UK Sting? Have you done that? Because someone said they want you back there at UK Sting.
UK Sting used to keep, UK Sting stop keep. I wrote the classic used to keep that show, but it's not keep anymore. You see me, so we just wait for the big show, the 7th next month. You see me, I wait on Ice Splash. You see me, Intense and Ragga Ruggie, so. And a big platform that me have wait on right now to make the people them know say it's love and it's unity and we want to get by the place together where we want black people to stop kill themselves. We want the youth them stop fight the postcode war. Put on the gun for 1 minute, make us try live in a unity. We can't agree. You hold your corner over there, some hold my corner. I love seeing where you put on the bad mind. And just make us live like how the white people, my little brother. We alone no unite. We some little bad brother. I'm gonna tell you something, brother. We just bad mind. Anyway, we are all everything, virgin. I'm gonna sit down and study my color, and I'm gonna study them, you know.
Yes.
I'm gonna go and say that the Reds are tape up the leather. Him say you fish, him say you swim, you perch, you lion. Oh, you have this is the man of fish. That means
exactly.
Fish.
Can you imagine?
Me no know no boy why no. Me no know you why no. I don't want to know you why no. Me only want to know me is me. I don't want to know you is you. I don't care if you are perch or lion. That is your life. Don't live your life. Me no care about no boy. Me breathing about boy. Me no boy.
I care about myself and me pick me down. And my brand.
Me no know me good and alright. And when him call me can bring piece of bread doggy. But me care about no boy I live. So me no business about no boy. Cause them people are the I see with color. Them only want to see us suffer. If you never try go up the ladder, you reach up the ladder. Them try pop you down. So I just that we don't have. We don't have no good art. We are crosses. So color crosses. And they're evil. And then we hurt you. Then we know you have suffer a long time and as you've gone up there, and when you reach up there, to help them back to come up there, them hurt you and kill you.
All the
That's an
time.
order that you talk to the youth them at Jamaica. Say, brother, live up, wise up, love on yourself, stop killing yourself, cause honor earth on yourself. All the way assistant, brother. We have a different, we work it out and talk it out. That's how we used to live. You see me? Why a man a kill a man? He not worth it. You see me? So I don't start with the affair for us make the youth them know. Say, brother, we don't hate you, brother. We don't hate you. We can't hate people. We are big man. You see me?
Thank you.
I love on us. You see me?
We grow better than that. Best of
yeah, man, I don't start with the pan, brother. No time about me, I hate people and then sit there, brother. Life too short, brother. I hear people that are dead. And it can get closer and closer. Because the people who are wrong, you know, see them as a man for them in dead. So, I could look at sitting there, virgin, why you want to kill me, I don't want to kill you. If we had to look at music thing, I keep the music, but me not hurt you like hurt you, you know, for hurt me.
Exactly.
We not grow up town, Ragga really not grow up town. Me growing at darkness, you know, brother. At darkness, me growing, I know. When it was 6 o'clock at Frog City, I pay Duppy come out, a cemetery me grew up on, you know. And I could have done the baddest boy in the world, and I said, no. Because when I time the devil lead me to go away there, to bleach, and I said, me not there for that. And one night I go in my house and said, nah, go to the bleach and see me. Everybody would not bleach me that night, die. So me here for a purpose. Me not there for something there. So me no business born no boy, I can want him, I want to tell him a general. Every man me know bad, dead. So badness a joke thing. No man no better than no man, you know. You make up your mind, that is. Just make up your mind and say, you know what? I'm not drawing enough, I'm not drawing me out. And no boy no better than you. I saw you go.
Every man can get brushed. So, yo, anybody can get brushed, no matter who it be. Me, you, anybody. That's why it's good to live right. Anything can get brushed. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So just eat the man and know, so brother. Here I go and I live where I live good, brother. We not here fair try bring down the man, brother. You see me?
Never.
That we not doing another something there. We here for love and the unity and the peace.
And music.
We not there come try to talk about a man a day a this and a man there that, brother. I no can't show no. I feel like I walk and tell people. That's a lie. I no can't tell people lie about fact on daddy rents. And Ragga Ruggie, car Ragga Ruggie has some youth where we grow with great people and have to show that. Chat on that chat. That now got no one talking. You can't even talk in a court. Case close, short.
Exactly. Exactly. Sometimes they live in that glass house and they throw stones. And then that glass fall down and cut them. They don't even realize that. It's good to be normal, humble, and if you can't see eye to eye, just go to the next side. And speaking of the next side, we're the next side of life right now.
Big up yourself, Zena. Yeah, man, we're going to see that. Big up yourself.
Exactly. Injury, love. But yeah, in the real life, think about it. How things change now. How has what's going on with this pandemic right now, how has that affected you? And musicians, the music industry.
Yeah, man, I slow everything, man. Slow everything. Make the whole place, them foolish and then liars sitting away. You see me? Man, nothing I go along, because the thing used to go on and this big old dirty liars sitting dropping, you know, where. Just slow the thing, no show now go on, so we can eat food and broke the bread. You give the people, brother. I be a foolish and liar. And then we don't believe in anything sitting there, brother. You see me, because me there road and me don't say it a kill nobody. The big lie. Nah, we don't see nobody dead.
Enough illusions, we say. Enough illusions. That's what I'm expecting. Yeah. Yeah,
you see me. No, so the people never protect themselves and put on a mask. They can't put on a mask anyway, but I not to believe in a certain thing. You see me, my thing, you know.
I believe in music. Believe in the music.
Yeah, but
and let the music set us
so wicked. Evidence so wicked, brother. Everybody not just I don't know nobody way. You see me?
I know. Same way. All the people I know, you know. No, sir.
Yeah, me just don't believe in it. That's why I sitting there. I don't believe in it.
Yeah, I mean, I believe in Santa Claus and do fairy and them thing there. That's what.
Yeah. Cause I see the white people out the door. We see the white people out the door enjoy themselves. And
yeah, but what I don't like what's going on in Jamaica. Every time the man want to lock down everything with just to mess up the people. I don't care what nobody say. Big up Tracy. And then after that, when him and his people want to keep party, they go to the resort. They party all night till the morning. Then after that, the next day them lock it down. A wicked brute that. And that's what's going on in Jamaica.
You should show me a man and a look more time the people them to know themselves and wise up with that for themselves and know so yo, here we go on. You can deal with it on phone on behalf down there. Because me I tell you, so me was a youth to fight for the people, man. We get to find out, so yo, me not do that sitting anymore, you know. You see me, I don't know right from wrong and know what to do. Now I come fight against somebody and tell nobody, say, what to do. All we are big people, we know what to do. I regular me risk my life for the people, man. I see them people them come bash me and tell that kind of body does to fight them and battle themselves for you. I love them and everything, but you see me, them know. And them are the powers in the people, you know. And them are the government, you know. The people them is rich, you know. The people them richer than me, you know. And them are the government.
All the time.
Anything them goes, you know. But as I ask tell your management, say unity is strength. Them can't better unless them unite. Unite can't go on as your bad mind or unite for go on your bad mind. Unite can't go on, brother, because bad mind down there. Them have to find love. Anytime them find love at Jamaica done for him. I pack me up and go and go home. You can't live in a place of love, no, brother. Love is everything, brother. Because I'm the envy of your eyeglass and come earth of your eyeglass and here's you your chain. So I mean that's certain thing. When I love that, I love me, I did. And respect people and people respect me. Yeah, man. All flitters, man.
Yeah. So any album or EP you working on soon?
Yeah, there's some little single we are kind of drop, you know. You see me, we don't rush it to take to one some of that time, because I just see pandemic go on and the record now sell. So we just keep drop some little one single and keep the fans them happy and tell the world change. You see me? Go on make him call and keep it relevant and just go and entertain the fans. And we go on. You see me? We don't rush now. Where you not rushing, brother? Remember say this is family in the 80s, brother. You see me? Remember say I years brown with the people, man. I years man. So when I rush out, man, when God said Daddy Red's time, man, I can't Ragga Ruggie time, man. When Jesus say, yeah, no, man, no man can't say no time. And just go and work and do my job. And just don't say, I love, man. I really rush out, brother. So I know some good, brother. You see me? Yeah, man.
Got you, because we need you. We need to continue to work because there's a lot of work to do regarding crime and violence. We have a crime and violence tour. All right, how about now? You hear me? Check one.
Yeah.
You hear me? All right,
yeah, see that?
Yeah. I said, yeah, we got to continue to work because, you know, we have a crime and violence tour. And we're going to have to come over to UK, and you know that's your way. And if you come over to America anytime, just let us know. And like I said, there's works to do. There's works to do, like one called Youth, Skill Yourself Before You Get Killed Yourself. Things like that, send barrels to Jamaica and everything. And I know you're a humanitarian, same way you've been doing that work. But like you said, unity is the key. We have to unite and do what's right. Now, where can everybody find you on social media?
Yeah, man, Ragga Ruggie, man. Take out on IG out there, Ragga. R-A-G-A. You see me? Yeah, man, Ragga Ruggie, man. R-U-G-G-E. You see me? Yeah,
Gotcha.
Man. Yeah,
now,
last one. Whatever,
how can they contact
viral, man.
Well, how you mean, man? Y'all
contact me. Contact me on my same Instagram, man. Prince can't last, man. Viral, man. Yeah, man. Like a person can't last, man.
At Lion TLC TV. We know Lion TLC. I know, because we know everybody.
Man, TLC, you know how it man. Cool, man. Nobody know find the Prince, man. I Prince fast, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
A real life.
Prince at, man. Place a bus up, man. You see me?
Speaking of bus up, how important is it for an artist to be able to freestyle on the spot, would you say?
Easy, you know. You have to just rhyme. You have to just rhyme like you just said, Daddy Rez, big up, that just keep up on Daddy Rez name. And it's simple. Daddy Rez, he run boy, Daddy Rez, him a big climber. Daddy Rez, Daddy, mash up Jamaica, kitchen Ragga Ruggie big entertainer. Somalia. Put them down there where them are suffer. No Daddy Rez, him a the Godfather. Big up Ragga Ruggie big entertainer. Jamrel, them want see Ragga. Daddy Rez, him a elder around here. Somalia, bust the links, Ragga Ruggie, run Jamaica. Ragga Ruggie, it's easy, man. But it's
Thank
hard.
you. Easy. But you know how many people can't do that? And they say them an artist? Ooh.
Them can't do it.
For me?
Glad they know, brother. I'm going to take out my glass again. Them can't do it.
No, man. Them
Hard.
can't.
You have to think fast for the last
you
come out again.
it just gotta come off the spot, off the top.
Yeah,
Drop it like it's hot and whatnot, you know? Easy thing, man.
Let me teach you. Yeah, man. Freestyle, man.
Easy thing to freestyle.
History, man.
It's not a mystery. It's history.
This is history. Don't you know that there is, man? You're the ambassador, you know. You know this. Yeah, man. At Fritters, man. Cool, man.
Right.
Yeah, man.
See, you always have a good vibe. You always have a good vibe. And I know that's important in the game. How important could you tell some young entertainers or even older ones who forgot? How important is attitude in music?
Yo, Ice, we just do the show in Ice. Yeah, man. 7 next month, man. Ice Splash, man. We just do the show, man. Ragga Ruggie, man. Say boss up on the program, man. Ice, man. We don't do the show, Ice. So
big up Ice. Big up Ice.
People get on the ticket. Because you want to go on the ticket, them soon done. And I biggest show this at the ear, this at the the show. At the ear, on the come out, come see Ragga Ruggie suit. My costume, my suit dust drop, my suit alone. I take the show. So that's people on the step on the line. That the Ice, the 7 next month, go to get on the ticket. The biggest show. Ice Splash. The biggest show. It can't stop. Ice Splash. People them want to see Ice Splash. Ice.
Must.
Intense. Ragga Ruggie. Ice. That's Savalia. Ragga Ruggie. Ice. At the big time. Ice Splash. At the dome, you know. At the dome. Oh, Michael Jackson perform people. We puff at the perform. When you come watch a performance from the body sitting up on the stage, Ragga Ruggie, and I'm fans them. Come out at England, you know, and Jamaica, a team up, Ice, at the boss, and do that. England and Jamaica in a one big stadium. At the dome, 7 next month. Prepare on a reach at the venue early, in peace and in love, and come enjoy on the money. Crosses, boy, and crosses, girl, don't enter the dome. Never. In a house, cause I show no work like that. We don't deal with violence. We don't deal with fight. We deal with happiness. I is a happy promoter. That's why the boss don't book anybody for them show. Your police record have to clean first. Their record have to clean. Because everything an international thing. So people, old people can come out, young people can come out, doctor can come out, nurse can come out, soldier can come out, police can come out, lawyer, everybody, because I show is happiness. Don't get to the ticket, cash. Enjoy on the money. So big up yourself, Ice. You gotta be history. You hear that, Reds? I'm a boss.
Okay.
And you would leave now because them you know me are clean.
Good.
So big up them general letting.
So what I need is you and Ice to give me a flyer, then I do a little promo on this side. You know how I go. Because of one link.
Yeah, man, let's send you flyers anytime we finish the interview.
Good.
Yeah, man.
Shout out for the general. So, you know how I go. Yeah.
Yeah, man. The boss, man.
Attitude. You have a good attitude. You have a rude. So how important is attitude in the music industry as an artist? You'd say? Yeah, man, you have to just, as I'm saying general, man, you have to just respect your man. And dear food, dear free, and kind to you, and deal with a man, no a man, deal with a man. Somebody show you love, man, you show, but them the same love, man. Is that respect, man? That's why the real respect Ragga Ruggie, you know. Because I show love, I have show respect to people. A pure eye. Let me tell you something. If you show love to people, nobody can tell lie upon you. Because people don't say you're not Ragga Ruggie that. Because you cannot tell nobody say Ragga Ruggie a God man. That not the word. The people them know Ragga Ruggie is a person who make you laugh and happy and I'm going to my yard.
That is Ragga Ruggie. So Frank, you show love, you get back love. It's just love.
Straight.
And happiness.
Straight.
So I tell you no artist them, brother. The bag of screw face and pants are drop down and the bag of killy and them. We don't do that shit. That's not way, brother.
Never. They can only go to their community and their friends' community, but they can't get no fly out to make the bar buy out. Nobody not get them a try out. Yo, them I got dead, them going to dry out. Yes.
Straight.
We don't need them.
Yeah, man.
Never.
That's how we deal with it, man.
Yeah, man.
I love, man.
Yes, man. So,
yeah,
yo,
man.
King, we know it's getting late over there. And like I said, we waited forever because of complications on this end. I'd say, look, it's an honor. And let's just do it again real soon. Because remember, this line...
Soon, man. I love everybody again for the live.
Yes,
man.
man.
Everybody again for the live. And please, go and get on the ticket. Spread the word. Get on the ticket for the 7th. Next month, Ice Splash. Or the Uncle Show of the Keep. Or the Uncle Christmas Street of the Keep. Or the Uncle Show of the Keep. On the get back something. On the get happiness on the Christmas Street. So go out and get on the ticket. Ice Splash.
Ice Splash. That's what Ragga Ruggie can be.
People, oneness. And I'm out. Prepare back for the interview again in Christmas. My love on the Ice. Oneness, my boss. Prince. LV Dan. Yeah, big up LV Dan too. Yeah, man. Big up Maxine, man. I can't leave and big up 2 people, man. Big up my boss, Ice, man. Yeah, man. Yes. I have to big up some people. Badness.
Yes, King, because when you touch King, our music
yeah, man, so we are big up. I can't leave and big up some people. Big up King Ela, man, too. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah. Big up the whole IRFM. You see me? DJ Teddy. You see me? Enough respect, man. Crazy. D. You see me upon Sun City. I pay love. You see me? All of my fans.
That's right.
I love her so much. Pay love. My boss, ambassador. I appreciate it. You have me on your show from me heart. People,
every time.
Love, keep on support at the rest, Keep on support at the rest. I remember say I watch this.
You are the DJ that them call Ragga Ruggie. Don't you know, say that things get spooky. Them can't test it, my Ragga Ruggie. Don't you know, say my foundation, you see. Anything that you know, say them I got done. Ragga Ruggie, you have to make them run. Run. Yo, your time. Take it away, me artist.
Alright. Ragga Ruggie big top celebrity. Viral 20 don't like the country. Somalia. Them can't stop me. Daddy will show it on the venue. Sure. There's the one see Ragga Ruggie. Ice Splash. Better lock it up, you see. Big up Annie Pastor and Kunta, you see. After that, him lock the venue. Ragga Ruggie. Run the country. Somalia. It's like, shut. Daddy Rex. I'm out here. Yeah. No, say nothing. Feel love, my boss. I'm out.
Get out for now. All right. Yeah, man, that's how it go, people. More love. Big up yourself, Apple Brian. UK Shorty. Yo, catch the replay on Daddy Rex Promotions. YouTube, all right? We say more love. We say more life. We say more music. And we say dread out for now. All right? We love on them.